Hi, I am Autumn Rose Wilson, and today I'm going to be giving you a tip on babysitting your brother or sister or someone down the street from you that has kids. Here's the one and only tip, and this one's a good one for if you are babysitting someone down the street that has kids when you're over there babysitting at their house and not yours. Don't have any of your friends come over while you're babysitting at the person's house, because that person you are babysitting for may not allow you to have company while you're babysitting, because I've learned that from experience. I babysitted this one little girl named Shamaya, and she was out of control, so I asked my friend Dylan to come and help me babysit. Wrong mistake, because he made it worse. And then, a week after he started helping me, I ended up getting fired.
Hi, my name is Tyler.
And that's my little sister. But anyways, don't have your friends over while you're babysitting. You can wait until you get home to talk to them.